Now that we have loaded the correct reference tiles, we are ready to start the diagnostics. Now let's have a closer look at the main screen of Datacolor Guardian software. At the right top of the screen we see the local instrument properties. We are now working with the Datacolor 110 serial number 10079. If we want to change the settings of the instrument, we can go to Tools, Service Utilities and Setup Instrument, and here we can change what we want. We can change the instrument type, or we can change the local settings like communication ports and baud rate. On the left top of the screen we see the information about the reference tiles from Guardian. We are here working with serial number 5005 and the expire date. At the bottom of the screen we see the diagnostic progress. For the moment none of them is done. And in the middle of the screen we see the diagnostic results. For the moment empty. So let's start the diagnostics by hitting the correct button. The first action is to present the black trap and white calibration tile. In fact, this is a normal calibration. So black calibration is done, and now the white calibration tile is asked to present. So we click OK. You see here calibration currently in progress. The next step will be the energy level test, and this test will be done automatically on the white tile. This test is measuring the internal levels of the monochromator. It automatically checks fibers, lenses and electronics. And after that, the drift test starts automatically. This will take about half a minute. This test is checking stability of lamp and electronics. It is not possible to continue with one step if the other step is not finished correctly. You see here the limit delta E is 0.1 CLAP and the actual delta E measured. And you will also see the pass-fail result. You can stop the test at any moment. After this test, the last test and the most important test is the color performance check. For the color performance test, we need the tile set in the Guardian case. This test will measure the 12 colored tiles. The first thing to do is to enter temperature and humidity that can be obtained from the device present in the Guardian case. So here we fill in temperature is 22 degrees and humidity is 40%, and we hit the OK button. We can now start presenting the tiles. You can start with any tile you want. The software will recognize the tiles automatically. Tiles are measured in included and excluded mode, so do not take the tile away before instructed. Measured tiles are presented on the color CLAP space on the screen, and the corresponding colors are displayed. Each instrument has its tolerances and they are automatically adjusted on the color circle. For each tile there is a pass-fail, limit delta E, actual delta E and other color coordinates. When the color performance test is done successfully, you can send the results by clicking the Send to Fleet Viewer button. Guardian will then send the results automatically to the mail address that is specified in the communication settings. Thank you for watching this Datacolor video.